Dear children, welcome to 5th standard social science. Today our lesson is 3rd term unit 1 forts and palaces. What is the meaning of forts? A fort is a place that is made strong and secure enough to be defended during a war. What is palaces? A palace is a grand residence. Okay cuties, let us see the topic. First, introduction. Tamil Nadu has been ruled by several empires, especially by the Chera, Chola, Pandya and Pallava rulers. Cholas, Pandyas and Nayakars constructed magnificent forts and palaces in Tamil Nadu. Magnificent means extremely beautiful. The Dutch, the British and the French entered our country and they built forts and protect their territories. Vellore Fort. Vellore Fort is a 16th century fort situated in Vellore, Tamil Nadu. It was built by the kings of Vijayanagara. Among the forts in Tamil Nadu, Vellore Fort is considered to be one of the most invincible fort. Invincible means a capable of being overcome. It is surrounded by a deep and wide moat. Moat means a long wide channel that is dug around a castle and filled with water. This fort is a good example of military architecture. In 1799, Tipu Sultan's family was detained here by the British. The first rebellion against the British broke out at Vellore Fort in 1806. Inside the Vellore Fort, there is a well-known temple called Jagadeshwara Temple, a church, a mosque, a museum and several government offices. Next, Dindigul Fort. Dindigul Fort is a 17th century hill fort situated in Dindigul, Tamil Nadu. It is also called Dindigul Malai Kotai. In the 18th century, the fort was passed on to the kingdom of Mysore. Dindigul Fort was built by the Nayakars of Madurai in order to defend their region from the invading Mysore army. Defend means resist an attack made on. Invading means to enter a country with an army in order to attack and take control of it. The fort was cemented with double walls to withstand heavy artillery. Artillery means weapons for discharging missiles. Next, Jinji Fort. Jinji Fort is another beautiful fort in Tamil Nadu. It is located at Viluppuram district. Jinji Fort is built across 3 hills. The fort walls are 13 km long and the 3 hills are connected by walls. It is built at a height of 800 feet and protected by a 80 feet wide moat. It is a huge fort with many attractions like Kalyan Mahal temples, Anaikulam Pond, granaries and a watchtower. Granary means a large building for storing grains. Tarangambadi Fort. Tarangambadi Fort is locally called Danish Fort. It is located on the shores of Bay of Bengal in Tarangambadi, Tamil Nadu. The fort is trapezoidal. Trapezoidal means a flat shape with 4 straight sides, none of which are parallel, in shape with 3 rooms in the left wing. The central part of the fort has 4 domes. Domes means a round roof on a building. The central pillar of the hall holds the entire weight of the domes. Let us know, Fort St. George is the first fort built by the British in India. It is located in Chennai. Thirumayam Fort is famous for its artistic word and architectural brilliance. It is located in Pudukottai. The magnificent Sadras Fort was built for commercial purposes by the Dutch. It is located in Kanjipuram. Next topic, palaces. Tamil Nadu has great palaces in many places. Some are described here. First, Thirumalai Nayakar Palace. The majestic Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is a 17th century architecture of Nayakar dynasty. Architecture means like a kings live in palaces. It is one of the most popular palaces in South India. Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is located in the city of Madurai. This is one of the tourist spots of Tamil Nadu. Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is widely known for its giant pillars. Widely means broad. It has an archaeological museum. Archaeological means the scientific study of material. The major attraction of this palace is the courtyard and the dancing hall. Courtyard means an area partially surrounded by buildings. Damukam Palace was the summer residence of the Queen Rani Mangammal of Nayak dynasty. It is located in Madurai. Tanjore Maratha Palace. Tanjore Maratha Palace is popularly called Tanjore Aranmanai. Tanjore Maratha Palace was originally constructed by the rulers of Tanjore Nayakar Kingdom. After the fall of the Tanjore Nayakar Kingdom, it served as the official residence for Tanjore Maratha. Tanjore Palace Complex is a tourist attraction which houses 3 separate venues. Venues means place. The palace, the art gallery and a manuscript library. Saraswati Mahal. Manuscript means a book document. Saraswati Mahal is considered as one of the oldest historical libraries in India. Saraswati Mahal also has a museum. The library has more than 1 million manuscripts in languages like Tamil, Sanskrit, Marathi, Telugu and Manipuravalam. Padmanabhapuram Palace. Padmanabhapuram Palace is a beautiful historical monument that is situated at Padmanabhapuram, Kanyakumari district. Monument means a structure or building. It is also known as Kalkulam Palace. Padmanabhapuram Palace is a wooden palace which is built in Kerala style of architecture. It is a fine example of art and craftsmanship. Craftsmanship means skill in an occupation or trade. The Padmanabhapuram Palace was built by the ruler of Travancore. The palace has various sections like Queen Mother Palace, Council Chamber, Southern Palace and so on. Okay children, do you understand? Last recap. Palaces and forts are the prime attractions of Tamil Nadu tourism. Vellore Fort is a fine example of military architecture. The major attraction of Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is the courtyard and the dancing hall. Thank you children.